Don't be suspicious.
Hey guys.
Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I have my niece with me, Melanie.
It's been a minute.
The dishwasher's on, so you're gonna hear some noise. She's a decade younger than me. She's 16.
Okay.
I'm turning 26 in May. My life. We were gonna film a TikTok and
We didn't want to get demonetized, you know?
yeah, because who got bills to pay?
This came upon.
And no, I cannot take spice like that.
So first, we have spicy noodle dumplings.
It's like the same ingredients but in a dumpling. We combined
Two types of spicy noodles together.
the original, the hot chicken flavor ramen buda tteokbokki kind, free and free. I'm gonna regret this so much. It's not a challenge, we're just gonna eat it. We're gonna finish this.
Don't mind my chopstick using skills.
We're gonna try it.
Got it.
My nose is already like sweating. Hey, it's good. It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be like super spicy. I say that now.
It's good.
The other one is kind of more cheesy, huh?
Okay.
Let's taste the dumplings. The inside looks like this. Nummy.
Oh wow. I can already feel myself sweating like crazy though. I honestly feel like I can actually finish this.
Okay, I'm starting to feel it. This is so good though. I think it's because I'm just hungry. Knocking. Dumplings are a little dry because we didn't use the pan, we used the microwave. Spicy!
Are we gonna first drink the water?
Oops, I did. Is it the soup? No!
What?
Is this even a challenge? I don't know. Is this a mukbang? I don't know. Hey, I think we could do this. The
Demolish.
toilet is gonna hate us.
They're gonna be like they're sweating so much.
It's not like crazy bad because your mouth is already so spicy and numb, you know?
It's just good.
You think we can finish this? I think we can.
Y'all see my chopstick using skills? I'm not a true Asian.
Uh-uh.
What should we talk about?
We can do this. Let's combine like a true mukbanger. Man, we're gonna gain like 10 pounds.
Tastes so good though.
Fine.
It's so spicy.
My lips off. No. Yours is. Don't get it in your eye. This is fun. Oh my god.
We should just drink water.
Let's drink water. I'm gonna drink water. It's not a challenge. We're just having a mukbang. Oh.
Bang.
Skim it. Oh, just tear it.
Bang.
Skim it.
Ice.
Taking like huge bites.
Natural sweat highlight.
That day.
We only ate like 1/4 of it so far.
Really? I feel like we're halfway. I'm just like not even chewing at this point. I'm literally like just not chewing. You become numb. Right? I can't see because my tears are blurring in my eyes. My stomach is like fighting me right now. Are you not tearing at all? I've cried so much already. It's hot. How do people do this? Do people actually finish it? You think we could? Yes. So, how are you and your boyfriend? Miss Thing?
We're pretty chill. How's your dating life?
My stomach has more action than my dating life.
I do have something to tell y'all.
This noodle is spicier than my freaking relationship. Mama ain't raised no bees.
So I guess this is just a casual mukbang now. Well, I should mention.
I think we're gonna finish this.
I can't. You're getting full, huh? These are too dry. Like, we should have steamed them.
Yeah, what are you telling them?
My recent video, a lot of people were kind of like upset. Not upset. I think they were just annoyed at me.
Right.
I guess what I was talking about came off kind of insensitive. It was basically like me. I was also being bratty. more behavior and attitude.
Why they lying? You all know we be acting like that.
But I get it. So I want to address some things because I didn't realize that it affected people that much, you know? I was just kind of like spewing whatever was on my mind and I wasn't being careful.
It's because they don't know the whole story.
Yeah. But then again, I felt like shit afterwards.
And it's okay to feel that way. Was it looking right with me?
Yeah. I guess everybody picked at everything I said. So it's kind of like, oh shit, I guess you're right. But then I started doubting myself, I guess. I don't know.
I think the sweet taste of it is what's making me not want to eat it.
Yeah, there's like a sweetness to it that you get kind of sick of. I feel sick.
I think that's what I hate about putting things out in the public, because people think so deep into every little aspect that you say.
And then you start doubting yourself. It just all comes down to it was my mistake for not saying, hey, this is just how I feel. These are my opinions, which I think I kind of did. I guess I was just like in a sassy mood and I talked kind of like without thinking. On the real, that's just how I feel sometimes. Why should I justify how I felt, you know? Well, I mean, it's whatever. A lot of people commented on things that kind of really bothered me. Am I losing for wanting to explain myself? I don't know. I'm sorry that. Oh, I feel sick. It's too sweet. It's never that bad in terms of spice anymore.
It's just that the sweetness of this gets you so tired of eating it.
Overwhelming sweetness. Hey, we're almost.
Wow.
I swear if we finish this, we're gonna puke.
More like we're gonna get like 10 pounds from it. Oh my god, my lips are like...
Who needs left hand?
I feel you. Did you mention their names?
Never mention it. Never. No. You want to protect them too, you know? I was just sad. People were so mean. But you're so toxic. No guy would want to date that anyway. And I was just like... Oh my god.
I can't eat this anymore.
I think I'm done too. It's too sweet. It gives you like a headache.
I'll give this a 8.5 out of 10.
I don't feel like that. That was fun. We finished like half. Dumplings are a little too dry because we didn't steam them and the tips are just so stiff. That's what she said. Sorry.
Hey. But anyways, I also have a TikTok. So you know you guys can add me at a pop-up right here. That's the same for my Instagram.
Make sure you follow her.
I didn't even put the cheese on it. I'm up.
Both ways. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. I have twins.